Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Thorah Beach, Ontario, a peaceful community along the shores of Lake Simcoe. This small lakeside spot is known for its calm waters, sandy stretches, and friendly cottage feel. Thorah Beach is connected to nearby Beaverton and has long been a popular place for summer getaways. The area's history goes back to the 1800s, when settlers arrived and began farming and fishing. Today, Thorah Beach is a blend of permanent homes and seasonal cottages, giving it a relaxed and welcoming feel. Families and visitors enjoy swimming, boating, and peaceful walks along the waterfront. Whether you come for a quiet stroll, a day on the water, or a peaceful escape, Thorah Beach has something special to share.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of Thorah Beach, Ontario.
Thanks for watching!